Hi, I am Elena Morgan from Future You Health. Your doctor's blood test just cleared you, but your body's still screaming for magnesium. Here's why they're missing 99% of the problem. Your doctor's blood test just cleared you, but your body's still screaming for magnesium. Here's why they're missing 99% of the problem. Only 1% of your magnesium lives in your blood. The rest hides in bones, muscles, and cells. So a normal blood panel tells you almost nothing. Sign 1. Your eyelid won't stop twitching. Random muscle twitches and cramps, even when potassium and calcium look fine, often point straight to low magnesium. Sign 2. You can't fall asleep. Magnesium regulates GABA, the neurotransmitter that quiets your brain. Without enough, your mind races all night long. Sign 3. You're anxious for no reason. Low magnesium raises cortisol and keeps your nervous system stuck in overdrive. It's biochemistry, not weakness. Sign 4. You crave chocolate constantly. Dark chocolate is one of nature's richest magnesium sources. Your body might literally be asking for what it needs. Sign 5. Your heart flutters randomly. Magnesium keeps your heartbeat steady. Deficiency can trigger palpitations that send people straight to the ER. Sign 6. You're exhausted even after sleeping. Magnesium converts food into cellular energy. Without it, your mitochondria simply can't keep up. Sign 7. Blood sugar swings hit hard. People with type 2 diabetes average 26% lower magnesium. Deficiency worsens insulin resistance, creating a vicious cycle. So why is everyone low? Our food supply has 25% less magnesium than a century ago. Soil depletion and heavy processing stripped it out quietly. High caffeine intake, processed foods, and common medications like PPIs all block magnesium absorption. The modern lifestyle practically guarantees depletion. Here's your fix. Pumpkin seeds deliver 37% of your daily need in 1 ounce. Swiss chard, cashews, and black beans are powerhouses too. Add 1 square of dark chocolate daily, 70% cacao or higher. It's a legitimate magnesium source that actually tastes incredible. Talk to your healthcare provider about testing beyond standard blood panels. An RBC magnesium test measures what's actually inside your cells, where it matters. Don't guess with supplements on your own. Get tested properly, eat these foods daily, and give your 300 enzymes what they've been waiting for. I'm Elena Morgan. If this opened your eyes, subscribe and hit the bell. Drop your biggest sign in the comments. Let's figure this out together.